Hi, my name is Syed Farhan Ashraf. I am Tableau Certified Consultant. In this video, I am going to discuss about Tableau Certification and Practice Exams. Following topics will be discussed in detail: Tableau Certification tracks, brief introduction of each certification. Most importantly, we'll be discussing the students' experience, especially of those students who have failed Tableau exam, and we have compiled the result of all those people and provided a summary of how people have failed the exam, so that our new students can improve themselves and align their direction in the correct way. And along with, in the last section of this presentation, we'll be discussing the practice test that we have developed on the basis of lot of feedback that we have received from hundreds of our students. Starting with the Tableau certification. Tableau has launched two tracks for the certification. On the development side, they have provided three certifications yet. One is the specialist certification, which is the basic level. Then they have created certified associate, intermediate level, and then certified professional certification, which is the advanced level. Similarly, on the server side, they have two certifications. One is the certified associate and certified professional. We have created dedicated videos on each certification, mentioning their format, their number of questions, how to prepare, what are the different type of the question, and example of those questions. We have created dedicated videos that you can take. Just for a glimpse of what we have developed, these are the screenshots of those videos. For example, on the certification of specialist exam, we have compiled each and every information here. Likewise, we have created for associate exam, certified professional exam, server certification. So you can go to our channel and read all these and see all these videos to get more information. Most importantly, we want to discuss in this video about our students' experience of exam, how they are feeling when they fail the exam, and what is their feedback. So this is important in order to guide the new students. First of all, there is a myth about the Tableau certification exam in the mind of the students who have failed, because they find it very difficult, especially the theoretical part of the exam. They consider it very hard. But we at the takethiscourse.net, we consider that they should cover the theoretical part in a very technical way, because there is a clear guideline how the theoretical portion can be covered. We have seen a number of the students that have failed with 1 mark or 2 mark or maybe 5 marks, which is the contribution from the theoretical exam. So students must give emphasis on the theoretical part of the exam. Another common thing in the failed students was found about the time management. They were unable to manage the time, or they were with the less practice of the time management. So they must so the students must focus on their time management skills. Fourth point is trick of the understanding of the Excel data source. Mostly in the Tableau exam, there are few data sets which they use. For example, global data source, superstore database, population data source. So if you review these data sets before exam and you understand their columns, their relationing, it is definitely going to help you in the exam day. Another thing is approach to solve the question. What we have found common in the students who have failed the exam is the approach. Whenever you are in the analytical part or the data slicing and dicing part, you should always use the visual cues in order to solve the exams. Instead of seeing the numerical numbers, you must always use the bar chart or the pie chart to identify the highest or the lowest figures, which give you very fast access to the result. Another myth that students complain that the questions were out of the syllabus, which we contradict with the students, because Tableau certifications are very much sophisticatedly planned and as per the Tableau guideline. So there is no point of out of syllabus. The only thing is you must know what are the different sources that Tableau has mentioned. If you go to our dedicated videos of each certification, we have very clearly mentioned how you should prepare for the exam. So definitely they are going to help you in order to cover all these scenarios. Lack of the time bound practice. One very common phenomena that has been found about the lack of the time bound practice, when we are solving or preparing for the exam, we don't consider the time, which is really a big challenge. When you are supposed to complete the exam within 1 hour for specialist and 2 hours for the Tableau certified associate, the time becomes a very big challenge. So you must practice for the time bound. And mostly the students that come to us who have failed the exam are those who directly attempt the exam without going through any mock test or the practice test. And once they are failed, they are ready to invest all the things, or they want to practice it. So we really recommend the students to invest a small amount of the money on the practice test, because it will really help them to gauge their skills. Let's move to the next section and the last section, which is Tableau practice exams that we have developed. At takethiscourse.net, we have a team of the professionals who are certified in the Tableau certifications, and on the basis of students' feedback, we have developed many certification test exams according to the guideline of Tableau. It definitely helps you to gauge your existing skill set and how to improve. Definitely you can work on your skills as per the result of our practice tests. One very important thing that facility, it gives the time management and the real like scenario. When you practice through our test, definitely it is the time bound and it helps you to practice as per the real exam day. And we recommend you to thoroughly go through the books. In our dedicated videos of these certifications, we have mentioned the course outline, we have mentioned every resource that you must go through. Definitely it's a big resources, but it will help you to master the concepts as well as pass the certification and excel in your career. Currently what we are offering, we have developed a Tableau theoretical practice exam, which is definitely helpful for your gauging your theoretical part of the exam. Most of the people are facing difficulty in attempting theoretical exams. So what we have done is we have gone through all the 3000 pages that Tableau books have, and we have extracted those questions which can be a candidate of the exam. So you must try our Tableau theoretical practice exam. Similarly, we have developed Tableau Desktop Specialist and Certified Associate exams, which are 100% on the basis of guideline that Tableau has given. If you go through our website, definitely you can get a lot of feedback from our students, which are very positive and encouraging. So we really recommend you to invest some amount and time on the practice exams if you want to save your time and energy. In case you have any questions or concerns, you can contact us through our website www.takethiscourse.net. Thank you very much.